Nongrwai Bapawnam ka Bollywood ubanang ni Thain Shatei Lammihngi ka ri India Zubeen kan ubalayo banroy hage film Bollywood balai simban taru dagi tengshop gi bapau gari kumu Hrithik Roshan hage film Chris 3 hage jingrwai tu hi bata Nang ta hage film gangstar jong Imran Hashmi hage jingrwai Ya Ali Bat shibun kiwepan ula Khlad no nagni kasla perthai ha Singapore ka jela Assam rengkat ka Thain Shatei Lammihngi barokawai ka sngewbha ya jing Khlad no jong Zubeen kan Nongrwai bapau nagni ka Thain bat ubayo rung sya ka Bollywood ka ying pinme film ba he hagari ka bayakani ya gorkom shana film ba itanan ha ka perthai ka school ba USTM ri Bhoi district kum ga jing burom yaw Nongrwai bapau na ka Thain ubala Khlad kendit kensan kalapan long ya ka jing le burom ba khadu ha phalau jong school ba hag bagi nong hikai lembat ki khana pule ki lai lumlang ban bu sentiu ban penlong ka jing sngabjar hakmat ka dur jong Nongrwai
saddened by the untimely demise of the legendary singer, music maestro, and the cultural icon of Assam, Zubeen Garg. His unparalleled contribution to the music and art has left an indelible mark in the hearts of millions. The University of Science and Technology, Meghalaya, had the honor of conferring upon him the honorary doctorate degree at the 10th convocation of the university held on 27th August 2024 in recognition of his outstanding contribution to the field of art and culture as well as for his philanthropic initiatives to spread peace and harmony in the society. Today, we bow our heads in grief and gratitude for his inspiring journey. His soulful voice will continue to echo through generations and his legacy will remain eternal. We extend our heartfelt condolences to his family, admirers, and countless well-wishers. May his noble soul rest in eternal peace.
I wish we hadn't met today like this because none of us want to say this message. None of us want to hear this message. It's our very own Zubeen. We have grown up hearing his songs. We have grown up with him. He's not just a cultural icon, but he's an emotion to every one of us. I understand this is a very hard moment for all of us. Every day it was like, someday Zubeen will pass away. And that happened today. Zubeen was a cultural icon, a music maestro. We are deeply saddened by the untimely demise of this legendary singer. The University of Science and Technology had the honor of conferring him the honorary doctorate degree at the 10th convocation held on 27th August 2024 in recognition of his outstanding contribution to the field of art and culture as well as for his philanthropic initiatives to spread peace and harmony in the society. I now request our
Pidon kam nong shondur ne nong ringdur hakijing kawai jongpi ne kijing kendu sa kan mau jongpi phun shengi ngin pele mangi katkum kajing kwa jongpi kador gababit la kadai mensi ne menmin pranyo lai ariwei sau iwei Pidon kam projector ban pani film ne pidon kam projector nak bentaki awareness program jongpi phun shengi ni ai wai shapi Pranyo laiwei, kendai hendru iwei, arnyo lai.